What's going on, guys? Matt here, Service Industry Coach, making this video today about personal finances and how it affects the growth of your business. By the way, I have absolutely nothing to sell you. I make these videos because I just enjoy helping people, and when I was just getting started in my home service business, I had many people reach out to me and give me information that really helped me grow, and so that's why I have this channel, and I'm doing the same for a lot of you guys. Today I want to talk about personal finance because I believe it's a huge pillar to how you not only manage your business money, but also on how fast your business will grow. It's kind of a twofold video. So the first thing is obvious, right? The way you manage your personal money is probably a good indicator of how you're going to manage the money that sits in your business bank account. Now, if you are the type of person that allows money to burn a hole in their pocket, and as soon as they get any kind of money in the bank, it's gone, spent on something most likely that's not income producing or useless, then you need to really figure out how to manage money. You can go through courses like a Dave Ramsey. Now, I'm not here saying Dave Ramsey is God or that everything he says I agree with, but for people that are poor at managing money, I believe he has one of the best programs out there. So if you're a bad money manager, go look up Dave Ramsey and take one of his courses. Spend the money on the course. I promise you, it will literally save you and make you tens of thousands of dollars in the years to come. So the first thing is, if you're bad at spending or if you're bad at managing your personal money, you're obviously going to be bad at managing your business money. So get your personal finances in place right away. The second part of this is, if you are not willing to live lean in the early years of your business, meaning if you are not willing to pay yourself very little amount of money, just enough to survive off of, it's going to be very challenging to scale your home service business quickly. Now, you might be able to scale it over a 10 or 20 year period, but if you're trying to get to a 7-figure mark quickly, right, or even high 6 figures, you need to live as lean as possible and take every dollar the business profits and reinvest it back into the business, into something that is going to allow it to grow. Maybe it's marketing, maybe it's a piece of equipment that's going to allow you to do bigger and better jobs. Whatever the case is, reinvest those dollars back into the business. This is like financial 101. Manage your money well, and if you want to grow your business, take all the money that the business profits minus the little bit you pay yourself and reinvest it back into the business so that your business can scale as quickly as possible. If you do those two things, you're going to be on a really good start. I paid myself pennies, you guys, like literally just enough to pay all of my bills and feed myself for years. For the first probably 3.5, 4 years of my business, I paid myself as little as possible and literally reinvested every single dollar back into the business. The last thing I will say is build yourself a little nest egg inside of your company. That way, if something happens again, like COVID-19 shuts you down for 2 or 3 months, or, I don't know, all your employees quit and you have a broken foot and you can't work for a couple months, make sure that you have a little nest egg put away. And I like to do 3 to 6 months of expenses, typically, of your expenses, right? Not luxuries, the bare bones to keep your business alive. 3 to 6 months of those somewhere in a savings account, in your business account somewhere. That way, if something, God forbid, ever were to happen, you'd at least be able to stay afloat long enough to be able to pivot or figure out a solution to your business problem. So I hope that helps. A little bit of financial 101 of how personal finance management does affect your business side and how, if you do it correctly, your business will scale quickly. See you guys later.